This is Scott Bauer with Prosper Trading Academy and your CBOVol 411. Yesterday, we saw the Nasdaq have its biggest one-day drop since October of 22. The S&P 500 snapped its 356-session streak without a daily decline of at least 2%. That was the longest since 2007. Option volume, 57 million contracts. That was about 20% over recent averages. Calls led puts by a slim margin of 6-5. SPX closed down by 128 points yesterday, came within 2 points of its 50-day moving average, approximately 54.18. At the money implied vol soared this Friday, stands at about 20%. SPX traded about 4 million contracts, put call ratio almost 1.4 to 1. Vix spot soared to over 18 yesterday, its highest level in over 3 months, and Vix options were extremely busy. 1.5 million contracts, which is about twice average daily volume. Calls led puts by just a very slight margin of just over 1 to 1. We usually see 2.5 to 1 there. The September 20 calls were very active, and the October-November 15 put spread traded 50,000 times for 36 cents. Let's watch the Vix curve, because for the first time in quite a while, Vix futures curve inverted or went into a state of what's called backwardation. Spot Vix, as just mentioned, traded above 18, while August slightly under 17 and September right around 17. It wasn't long ago when the spread between spot and the October and November futures surrounding the election had a steepened curve of over 5 points. That curve is now flattened, with October trading less than 1 point higher than where the spot is. On the equity side yesterday, Nvidia, which closed below its 50-day moving average for the first time since early May, that led with volume of 4.5 million contracts. Tesla, post-earnings, closed down about $30 or over 12%. That was its biggest decline since September of 2020. That traded 3 million contracts, putting call volume just about even. And one more, Google or Alphabet, post-earnings traded about 900,000 contracts, 3 times average daily volume. This is Scott Bauer with Prosper Trading Academy and your CBOVol 411.